Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from Oppo device to Samsung Galaxy M35. Begin by opening Play Store on both and getting free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, launch it. Now to set it up, tap on the same options in both apps. Begin by selecting I agree and I acknowledge at the top. Then select confirm, continue and allow. In this window about new updates, you can tap on OK right away, or select Not Now and then click OK. Either way, when you're ready, tap on your device's displays and select Send at the bottom left corner of Oppo. Then receive right next to Send at the bottom of Samsung. Also on Oppo, using all of those categories at the top, select multiple files to transfer. I will go with only a couple though, just for example. When you finished, hit Send next to Selected at the bottom. Choose Got It in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way will be better for you. To connect by inputting this key, click on Input Key section. Type in all of those numbers before they expire and choose Receive button to connect. If you prefer to scan the QR code, click on the scanning icon above User Guide. Close another. Allow camera access in the pop-up and point it at the code. Then wait. As you can see, after that, all of my files were successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!